Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch channel. This is my YouTube space dedicated to my ongoing journey and chronicling my beginner's journey in the world of horology and watches. Please do take note, I am not a watch expert. I am just enjoying this hobby and I want to document everything. And in today's episode, I want to share with you a new watch that I picked up, which I feel is one of the best everyday work watches that you can get from Seiko. The only problem is it's a bit pricey. It sells for over 100,000 pesos or $2,000. But man, it is stunning, it is gorgeous, it is useful, it is functional, it is reliable, and you just put it on your wrist and you don't have to think about it anymore. It will always work. This is the Seiko Astron Nebula Galaxy, I think. But yeah, it's really kick-ass. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so we have over here one of my watch rolls, and I will be doing a separate episode on my watch boxes and the watch rolls that I use. So watch out for that one in the coming days ahead. So this one is like my work formal play watch box or watch roll. So I kind of set, for example, what I want to wear for the week or for the month, the 3 pieces. And this is like an entire Seiko set, but I won't go through the other pieces yet. I'll just focus on this one. So this is like one of my favorite work watches, as if I get to go to the office now with the lockdown. But anyway, this is the Seiko Astron GPS Solar Nebula, Galaxy Nebula, I think. And man, oh man, take a look at how insanely stunning this piece is. Now, if you will take a closer look, the most magnificent, the most striking part about this watch is the dial, because you have a lot of things going on. You have 3 sub-dials, but more importantly, you have that gorgeous Galaxy Nebula design with all of those sparkling stars that you see. And every time you take a look at it, it just captivates you, just hooks you in, just mesmerizes you, sucks you in, and you want to take a closer look at the piece. And I also feel that the all-black stainless steel case with the stainless steel bracelet gives it an even more kick-ass look, combined with that blue Nebula Starry Night kind of dial. I mean, everything taken together is just absolutely insane. And even the small details, like those light blue accents that you can find on the crown and the buttons for the sub-dials, are also just as nice. Even the markers and the indices, if you take a look at it, they're kind of floating because they have that 3D shiny effect, especially the more pronounced ones being the 12 o'clock marker, which is the biggest one. So it looks like a spaceship floating in space. But this watch is not just all about good looks, because it is equally as useful and functional. First, everything that you need to know about the time, you will find with one glance. Everything from the date to AM, PM, to the day of the week, you can find it on the piece. You can even monitor 2 time zones with the sub-dial that you can find at the 6 o'clock position. And this is also equipped with GPS and solar, which means that you never have to change batteries. It will always work. You just put it on your wrist and it will connect to satellites twice a day to be able to figure out your location, and it will automatically set the time. So if you are looking for a watch that you can bring with you when we can travel the world again, and you don't want to go through the hassle of changing time zones on your watches, this will do the trick. By the way, another useful thing that they added, there's actually a micro adjustment mechanism here at the strap, so you don't need to remove the links to be able to adjust it. And again, it's perfect for using it in different weather where the size of your wrist kind of either swells up or, I don't know, gets smaller depending on the weather and what you do. I mean, seriously, guys, take a look at how nice that is. Probably the only thing preventing a lot of people from jumping on the Astron bandwagon is the price. It is pricey. It is over 100K, but you can kind of, I don't know, understand with all the complications and the features that this watch has. That's probably the big reason why. By the way, if you don't like the Galaxy Blue Nebula color, they also have this in green, which just looks just as good, especially if you like the color. Now, wow. Guys, take a look at how the light dances off the bezel, as well as the display of the green version of the Astron Solar GPS. So the big question now is, should you consider buying the Seiko Astron GPS Solar? Well, ultimately, it really depends on your taste and what you need in a watch. Obviously, it's not for everyone. with the price point. It is selling for over 100,000 pesos, with some of the models selling for even more, close to around 140,000. That's almost 3,000 US dollars. So if you are looking for like a one watch work watch type of thing, and you want to stick to Seiko, and you want something a bit more high tech and super functional, super useful, that uses a high tech quartz movement that connects to satellites, auto adjusts, and has so much information and looks really dope and futuristic, then you might want to consider this. But add to that, you have a lot of cash to spare. If not, then you do have a lot of other options from Seiko that you might want to explore in the sub 100,000 or even sub 50,000 peso price point that are also really amazing. And that said, this is Carlo. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing vlog for the day. I hope you guys are all doing fine. Happy New Year in advance. Belated Merry Christmas to all of you. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.